So hey guys, welcome back, and so I am playing some Animal Jam, and yes, and I just have new houses. I love these houses, but these are the new houses. Yeah, this is my beach house so far. I started decorating the outside. Yeah, so I was just showing around my house today. I'll give you a tour. So this is my outside area by the beach. What a nice day. So you can just do this. You can just go up here, go inside, and then we have my living room. And then up here is my pet room. Here is going to be my bedroom. And I think we just weird it out. Okay, so, and then this is my slide. Yeah, I won't use a flying animal for this. I'll get up first. Hold on. Okay, now I'll change my avatar to my fox. Hello, I'm a fox. Yeah. So the one I can't see where my there it is. It just is acting there. Now when you go up, you can we splash. So yeah, this is this house right now. Then the other new house. Okay, this is the other new house. So this is gonna be my bathing area where you can come down across. Then it leads in to my usual. This is gonna be this is gonna be my bedroom. Or should this is gonna be the kitchen, I mean, the living room. This is gonna be my painting room. Then over here, this is my disco room. Well, this is my reading room over here. And then my disco room is on the other side up here. Where is it? Oh, right, it's up there. Hello again. So, down here. Wait, there is one in here. Hold on, I have to find my disco room. Maybe let's see that paint. Oh, I found it. I found it. You come down from here. That'll lead you into my crystal room. Then you have my disco room. And I already have a disco ball up here. You can see this. Hold on. You can see my disco ball. Yeah. So, hope you liked that video.